The main course area is where your child should spend the majority of their time. This is where your child can access their optimal tailored learning journey in each subject area. Students who make the most progress on Atom are the ones who most regularly use the main course area. Mastery is achieved on the main course area by working through tens of thousands of questions, all of which are fully adaptive. As your child answers questions correctly, the work will increase in difficulty in order to stretch and challenge them further. If your child answers questions incorrectly, the questions will become easier in order to build their foundation of knowledge and ensure that they have a strong understanding before they move on to more challenging content. We'd recommend your child uses the videos and help sheets provided in order to build their understanding and skills in each corner of the content and curriculum. At the end of each activity, your child will achieve a series of star points. 1 star indicates mastery at the easiest level of difficulty, 3 stars indicates mastery at the highest level of difficulty. At the end of each activity, your child should always progress forward and unlock a new island. Any challenging areas should be revised further in a custom practice activity.